The Ceride balance bike is really built to enhance your child's confidence, to teach them how to push around a vehicle, and to learn how to steer. It is easily put together, self explanatory. It has 5 parts. You put them together. It doesn't require a lot of assembly. They're sturdy. I think this scooter, it weighs like 3 to 4 pounds. So you could put it like, hang it to the stroller, take it to the park, or use it indoor. The it's very safe. It doesn't have any like sharp edges. It's really, really, really nice. And usually kids will ride these uh, from the time they're one on all the way until maybe they become toddlers and they grow out of it. So you'll have this for, I would say, 14 months. Some of the kids keep riding it because it's enjoyable. It's an enjoyable ride. Um, and it's a precursor to other push bikes in the future. So if you're on the fence about getting the Ceride, it's really, really a good buy.